Okay guys, so be right back. I'm gonna get dressed. Yeah, so be right back. nice and dressed now. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna put this in here. Alright. Alright guys, I'm back. How much? Only 7 minutes long. It's not that bad. I'm like, I didn't take that much longer anyways. Alright, here goes the same light. Hello guys, this is Tyrese Gibson, the Hunter Hobbies Canada 2025 here. Today is Friday, November 21, 2025. And that means tomorrow it's the CPKC holiday train. Yeah guys, tomorrow the CPKC holiday train is coming to Chatham tomorrow. I'm excited to see it tomorrow. I'm ready to see it. Yeah. Here I'm wearing my CP Canadian Pacific merch. I'm just waiting for a CPKC train to show up, but hopefully one comes very soon. Yeah. Cause I don't think 135 hasn't come by here yet. Probably 231. I don't know. I didn't hear about 231. If you can see right here, all the trucks are gone. Yeah, they were right there before. There are a lot of people's right there, but yeah, they're gone. Yeah, guys, I'm excited for tomorrow. I might see Matthew. Yeah, the Matthew. I asked him, is he going to see the holiday train? And he says, are you going to be there? Yes, I'm going to be there too. In Chatham, Ontario. Yeah, I am. He's going to be there tomorrow. He might bring a friend with him. I think so. Yeah, just waiting for a CPKC train to show up right now. Yeah, hoping one come very soon. I know, I got to see one last night. It went that way before. It went straight to London because I saw it one that way. It went straight ahead to London. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so hope you guys having a wonderful weekend. No school today because Friday's PA day. I know. It's crazy. No school till Monday again. Yep. Wow. Yeah, guys, hope you guys having a wonderful day today. It's really beautiful out, but I can see a little cloudy over there. Yeah, I do. Yeah, so we'll see what happens of the CPKC 231. Yeah. Alright, guys, I will catch you on the next video. I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm excited. I think it will come to Chatham at 1:45 p.m., yeah. It will stop there at 1:45 p.m., yeah, it will. So we can still see the engine of it. Yeah, I think it's going to play some music. Oh, boy. I'm ready for this. Oh, but don't get a jump scare, the horn. Yeah. Anyways, guys, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Probably just gonna wait for a train to show up very soon. Maybe I could play some Roblox for a bit, and maybe there's a train coming. If not, probably still play Roblox if there's a train coming. Yeah. I'm all dressed. I'm all nice and dressed. Just got wake up this morning. Yeah, I did. I saw a lot of trucks parking right there. Yeah, a big truck either. Yeah. Anyways, guys, comes next scene. Roll it. Bye. Okay, here we got a CPKC train coming. About time. We got 93, 36, 97, 62. Trailing second. Alright, just in time. Maybe there was a green light for eastbound west. Maybe there was a green light for a CPKC train. Is this 135 or is it 231? I can't really tell what this train is. Well, let's see if it's got containers. If not, this might be 231. Guys, I got to see alright, one CPKC train. I know I caught one yesterday, last night ago. Oh well, lucky I got to see the engines this time in the morning. Yeah, lucky. Alright, so hopefully we get our next train. Look at all the auto racks. Look at them all. Holy. This might be 231. I don't think this is not 135. Or maybe 135 might be next. Well, if it goes to Windsor. Well, looks like I'm putting on my short videos. Here comes Dan. Well, this might be 231 instead of 135. Oh well. Look, we got to see a train. Alright, there's CN. There it goes. Alright, he's gone. Alright, here comes the scene roller. Okay, we have a CPKC 5606. Yeah, CN unit 4848. Look at that, a CN unit on CPKC train. Look at that. Awesome. Before lunch, look at that. Almost missed it, but just in time to start the video. Right now. Alright. Wow, look at that. A CN on CPKC train. Look at that. That's amazing. Just about eating right now. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so is this 135 now? I think so. I don't know how to CN unit. That's crazy. A CN unit. Look at that. That's amazing. If it is 135, just let me know. Because I'm still eating. Well, there's the end. Wow, pretty cool. A CN leader. Awesome. Can't wait till I send that picture. Well, I don't know what that train is. Had no containers, so and that might be 135. I cannot tell what that train is. Pretty cool. A CN and a KCS. That's amazing. Alright, here comes the next steamroller. I almost missed it. Well, just in time. Alright, here comes the next steamroller. Alright, take a look. It's this one. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, next steamroller. Oh, check it out. We got a snowman at the window. Probably looking for some trains. Because it's November, and that means the Christmas is on December. I know the holiday train is coming tomorrow. So I hope I see Matthew. Oh, pickup truck. I don't think you will see it because it's all blurred. Alright, next scene, roll it. Alright, we have another CPKC train. Late. So dark. DPU alright. There it goes. Alright, next scene. Alright, got myself a chocolate milk. Check it out. Yeah. Just the phone. Alright, another CPKC train. Excuse me. Oh, there's Dan. Awesome, another CPKC train. Check it out. Alright, guys. Let's see if there's any more train coming. If not, this will wrap it up. And then here comes the next scene. Roll it. Okay, guys, this will wrap it up and end this video, folks. I hope you have a good night. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm excited. I'm excited for tomorrow, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to see the CPKC holiday train tomorrow. I'm excited. I hope you all enjoying this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn notification bells on. Leave a comment. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Tyrese Gibson, Hunter Hobbies. Canada 2025 off. Alright, peace out, everybody.